So this is my gateway profile. It has a Pentium 3 in it. It has Windows 98. And the interesting thing about this is that it's not a CRT, it's an LCD. It's got a bit of wear on it. I saved this from, well, I guess you could just say a hoarder. So it has a bunch of markings on it. Here's the model number. You get there's a little latch back here. When you open the latch, you get more I/O. Here's some I/O on the back. It uses just a standard gateway power supply. But the interesting thing about this one is when you turn it on, the hard drive's starting to go out. So when you turn it on, can you hear that? Now I have turned on this unit before, and it does load into Windows still. Windows XP's on this unit. But just the noises it makes, I won't trust this hard drive. Here's some more specifications. So this is my very crusty, but I have not found much information on these online, because you mostly see the Profile 2 and the Profile 3. So this is my gateway profile. I'm guessing this is the Profile 1. But anyway, thank you.